50 years ago, this house became part of an architectural experiment that redefined modern living. Joseph Eichler envisioned homes that erased barriers between rooms, between indoor and outdoor spaces, between people and nature. Today, we're in a stunning home in the Lucas Valley Eichler community. This house still embodies Eichler's philosophy: open spaces, natural materials, and seamless integration with the outdoors. That's why our client chose natural walnut as the centerpiece of their kitchen renovation. I'm Marina, and this is a Beyond Kitchen project. The heart of the kitchen is natural walnut fronts, warm, organic, and timeless. The homeowner wanted a space that felt inviting yet modern, honoring the home's mid-century roots while embracing contemporary functionality. For this project, we used premium random plank walnut veneer, crafted with a mix and match technique exclusive to our production. Our random plank veneer is made from non-repeating wood planks, ensuring the unique, organic grain pattern on every panel. The result? A kitchen that feels rich, textured, and alive. To balance the warmth of the wood, we designed the island with a custom-made white tone. It features an integrated handle for a seamless look, elegant yet highly functional. Every design decision here was intentional, down to the precise shade of white, which was custom-matched to harmonize with the home's aesthetic.
So we did a lot of research on cabinets, obviously, when we set out to do our kitchen renovation, and there were a lot of things that we liked about the Ikea boxes. They're very modular, obviously. You can kind of really customize your kitchen in a way that works for you. And at the end of the day, Ikea makes a quality kitchen box. And when you compare it to the prices of other custom cabinets, it just made a lot of sense for us to go with the Ikea box, especially because we were able to get great custom fronts that matched our style and taste, yeah.
At Beyond Kitchen, we share Eichler's belief that modern design should enhance daily life, not just in aesthetics, but in function. And affordability matters. Advocate for pairing high-quality Ikea cabinet systems with premium custom fronts. Built with BLUM hardware, these cabinets ensure smooth and durable performance. Combined with top-tier materials, they deliver a truly premium kitchen without the premium price tag. Beyond aesthetics, functionality was a key. Take the pantry storage next to the fridge, a simple yet powerful design choice. Keeping fresh and dry ingredients side by side makes cooking more intuitive and grocery unloading more efficient. Next, let's talk about this beautiful preparation zone with a large kitchen window. Many homeowners dream of the window in the kitchen, but how practical is it?
For me, I love it because it's especially with this window, it's such a huge, the view is vast, and it's just spectacular to stand there and, you kind of forget you're doing dishes sometimes, but yeah, it's really lovely. And the way that our contractor did that window is the countertop runs right into the glass. So there's no ledge there, which is just very sleek, and yeah, we really like it. It does get I will say it gets a little warm over there sometimes. You gotta make sure you're wearing sunscreen, but it's nice. And that's one of the things that we really love about Eichler homes is, it's that indoor-outdoor living, and so it just kind of amplifies that.
Countertop clutter is one of the biggest challenges in the modern kitchen. That's why we designed this tall cabinet as a hidden appliance garage, keeping everything from the coffee machines to blenders out of sight, yet easily accessible. It's about creating a space that looks effortlessly clean, no matter how busy life gets. But great design isn't just about looks, it's about experience. For places where two J-pull profiles meet, many brands use a simple 45-degree cut for cabinet handles, which can be uncomfortable for daily use or heavy doors. That's why we developed the blind pull handle, a Beyond Kitchen exclusive. It maintains the seamless aesthetic while making access more ergonomic and effortless. Finally, let's talk about the stunning bar area. Separate from the main kitchen, it creates a dedicated space for preparing drinks without interrupting the cooking workflow. It also provides extra storage for dishes, making family dining even more convenient. And by extending these natural walnut elements into this space, we ensured a cohesive, harmonious design through the home. This renovation beautifully blends mid-century modern elegance with contemporary functionality. By honoring Eichler's timeless design principles and integrating smart, custom details, we've created a kitchen that feels seamless, sophisticated, and perfectly suited for modern living.
We love our kitchen, especially if you were to see the before images of the kitchen. There were no windows. The cabinets were just kind of this yellow color. Anyway, so aesthetically, it's very beautiful. Functionality-wise, it's amazing. I'm trying to think if there's anything that I would do differently, and I don't think so. Yeah, we're really very pleased with our results.
Thank you for joining us in this project. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite feature of this kitchen. And if you're planning your own renovation, explore our collection for more inspiration.